Over the years, the CMM technology has evolved significantly. Modern machine shops need to perform quick measurements, post-machining, in the manufacturing cell. Self-correcting machines are an integral part of Industry 4.0. Accurate gauging. Pioneers of local design and CMM manufacturing in India identified the need for modernization in this space. There was an increasing demand for the presence of the measuring station within the manufacturing cell. Accurate took up the challenge and set out on a journey to manufacture the best-in-class solution for its customers. The highly experienced and global design team at Accurate worked relentlessly to create a unique design. The result of this research is a cutting-edge concept, offering the highest level of precision, with the most practical CMM design. Presenting SF, a revolutionary and the most user-friendly CMM, which brings inspection right into the production line. SF is a robust CMM, best suited to the shop floor environment, and can be placed as close as possible to the component. In production, time is of essence. As opposed to traditional CMMs, SF employs a plug-and-play system with minimal installation time. The measurement process can start immediately. A linear guideway enables faster probing. Its best-in-class 5-axis measurement system offers faster measurement with minimum human interface for error-free measuring. It can be integrated within line or near-line production, thereby saving considerable measurement time. It offers the highest degree of flexibility for production batch and inspection line by seamlessly adapting to the change in the components being measured. By replacing different measurement tools, it enables significant increase in productivity. In the present era of Industry 4.0, SF takes automation to a whole new level. Its predictive maintenance functionality enables it to diagnose its health, check the next calibration due date, and send out periodic reports. It offers traceability and real-time visibility of every component that's measured. This helps improve supply chain visibility and reduces risk. SF is a future-ready measurement system designed to meet the most complex measuring requirements. Backed by Accurate's in-house expertise, it is a game changer in the metrology space.